How to fix Microsoft Outlook cannot connect to server issue. The very first thing you can try doing is make sure your account credentials or Exchange server name are correct. In order to do so, head over to Outlook on your computer. Now go to Files, move into Information, and then head over to Account Settings. Choose the account from the dialog box, remove the existing account, and re-enter your correct account credentials. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to try doing is repair a profile using Outlook File Repair tool. In order to do so, firstly launch Wondershare Repair It for email and click the Select File option to add the corrupted PST files. Click the Repair button after selecting files from the desired location. You can add a single or batch of emails. It will automatically restore your corrupt PST files in seconds. Once the repair process is successful, Repair It lets you preview the resorted Outlook mailbox data. Select what you want to save. Hit on Save button to save the fixed PST files on your computer. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to fix Outlook cannot connect to server issue. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.